So we went through the audio and now it's time to talk about the cameras on the V60. So our normal camera test, we just focus on the point and shoot aspect of can you just pull out the phone, take a picture, and get great results. And depending on the phone, we do the same for video. So we're gonna do all that here. So let's get started. So before we dive into what the cameras can do, let's talk about the cameras themselves. You have about 3 sensors. It's really 2, but 3. One of them is a f1.8 64 megapixel sensor with pixel binning down to 16 megapixels with optical image stabilization. You got a f1.9 13 megapixel super wide angle and a time of flight depth sensor. On the video side, you can shoot up to 8K at 30 frames per second. It's future proofing, but you can't really view it, but you can still shoot 4K at 60. 1080 and then super slow motion as well. And coming around front, you got an f1.9 10 megapixel selfie camera. You still have all amazing manual photo and video options, and then they've added a night mode. The overall photos, you're getting a great amount of detail and dynamic range. You can see all that here. The video quality is also superb, but that's just seeing the camera by itself. Let's see how it holds up against the competition. Unfortunately, I do not have an S20, but I do have an iPhone 11 Pro Max and a Pixel 4 XL. Here in the balloon image, the Pixel makes everything white, shows off truer colors. LG takes the light and it affects kind of everything on the image, so everything has a yellow hue. Apple sits kind of in between, offering closest to what the naked eye would normally see. Next up, we have some soul food. LG makes the mac and cheese and fish breading pop for a more pleasing picture. The Pixel mutes the colors while retaining details. Apple makes everything pop, but not to the level of LG. Next up, we got cereal boxes. So all 3 are a lot closer in color reproduction and details. I think it's a matter of preference on this one. They're pretty close. There are some very slight differences. I'll leave that up to you, but we'll move on. And then last but not least, we have this night image. LG does a decent job of making everything bright and visible, but you know, the details aren't as sharp. You still got that haze. Pixels brighten everything, but to the point where it just looks a little unnatural. And then Apple does a nice job of having details visible, being bright, but still looking like it's nighttime. And then on the video side, you see LG and Apple kind of going toe for toe. Even on the image stabilization tip, it's still pretty good. It's not like neck and neck, a few slight differences, but in regards to what I've seen so far, this is right on Apple's heels in regards to video quality. So there you have it. LG is doing some amazing things. Now, still got the rest of the phone to talk about, but in regards to the shooters, you have your versatility. You can get great to comparable photos, and the video is literally right behind iPhone. There's our 2 cents. Let us know what you think about it. Sound off in the comments below. If there's anything we may have missed, we'll make sure to address that. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have yet to do so. And thanks for watching, because you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. And see you next video. Peace.